Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am here at Giant Food Store, and I am going to do a laundry deal for you that comes around just about every 2 or 3 weeks, but they change it up. Sometimes it's $15 off, sometimes it's $20 off, sometimes it's $10 off. So this week it is $15 off. And what it is when you spend when you buy 3 P&G products, you're going to save $15. Now, those P&G products can vary. It could be laundry detergent, it could be paper towels, toilet paper, cleaners, a whole bunch of different things. But I'm going to focus on the laundry products. So I'm going to focus on getting some Gain and Tide, and I'm going to also use some digital coupons. Since P&G is being stingy to us and they are not making any printable coupons or putting any in the inserts, we have to find a way around this to save if we want to continue to use Gain and Tide. So I'm going to grab 3 different laundry products. The first one I'm going to grab is going to be this Tide. It is 115 fluid ounces. And the reason I'm getting this one is because to me it's the best bang for my buck. The other ones that are included in this deal that you can get are like the big jugs like that are $19.99. You can also get some of the pods. I'm just looking for one that's available. The Free and Clear or Hygienic Clean, they're also included. There are some of the pods that are included. But I'm getting the cheapest one because to me that's the best bang for my buck. So this one is $15.99. Now, it's regularly $18.99, but it's on sale for $15.99 this week. So that's a savings right there in itself. But look, when you scan it into the Giant app, you also have a $4 digital coupon that attaches. So that brings this down to $11.99. So even if you don't want to buy 3 things to save the $15, if you just get the Tide by itself and click the digital coupon, it'll be $11.99. So you'll still be saving $8 if you just get that by itself. But you know me, I want to save everything that I can. I want to get the best bang for my buck. So when I scan it into the app, it also shows me that it is a part of the Save 15 when you buy 3. So you just want to make sure that every product that you get is attaching to that. And this deal is actually good through tomorrow, guys, Thursday, February 8th. So you have all of today and all of tomorrow to do this deal. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put this Tide in my cart. And I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next deal. And just to let you guys know, the Free and Gentle is also $15.99. So you could get that one too if you wanted. Now, the other thing that I'm going to grab some Gain. Okay? So with the Gain, I'm going to go with the cheapest deal also. Because I could get the pods, the big thing of pods, which is $19.99. But the big jugs of Gain are $15.99. And it's the original, the Moonlight Breeze, and the Island Fresh. All the scents that they have. They are $15.99. Now, this isn't as big of a savings as the Tide because Gain doesn't cost as much as Tide does. So the Gain is $16.99, but on sale for $15.99. And here you see when I scan it into the app, there is a $4 digital coupon. And, one second. You see it does attach and say that it's part of the Spend 15 buy 3. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get the original scent. That's the one that I usually get anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and put that into the cart. Now, guys, we are not quite up to our 3 items. We have to grab one more item. Now, I could get more detergent, but I'm going to get a fabric softener. So I'm going to get one of the Gain fabric softeners. And just to let you know, there are other ones that are included. So Downy's included, so you could get a Downy for $12.99. And also the Downy Free and Gentle is included. So those are all included, but I think I'm going to go with the Gain Softener. Now, just in case some of you guys wanted to get the Downy Softener, I just wanted to show you something. So that's regularly $13.99, but it's on sale for $12.99. But there is a $3 digital coupon that does attach to it, okay? So that will bring that down to $9.99 plus the money you'll get off for buying 3. So I'm going to grab the Downy, but you can get the regular scent, the original scent, or you can get the Moonlight Breeze, whichever you prefer. I'm going to get the original scent, and you'll see that when I scan it into the app, there is a digital coupon that attaches. So just like the Downy, the Gain Softener has a, hold on, I don't know why my phone is, okay, there we go. Just like the Downy, the Gain has a $3 digital coupon that attaches, and you see it still is save 15 when you buy 3. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add that softener to my cart. So this is going to be our laundry haul. We're going to get the Tide, the Gain Softener, and the Gain Liquid Detergent. Okay guys, something else that I wanted to grab real quick, and you can do this deal a couple different ways, but of course I'm going the cheapy route. I'm going to grab some Hellmann's mayonnaise. Now I'm going to get this one, which is $3.09. This is the 8 fluid ounces. You can get any of the mayonnaises, okay? It doesn't matter which side, what size, but I'm getting this one because this is the best bang for my buck. So this one is $3.09. When I scan it into the Giant app, this $2 digital coupon attaches. So that means I'll pay $1.09 for this thing of mayonnaise. I think this is perfect for me, so this is what I'm going to get. But you can get any of them. And if you want to get more than one, you can do that by simply submitting your receipt to Shopee, because Shopee has the same exact coupon on their app. So you would get the $2 back. If you get 2, then you get $2 back from Giant and $2 back from Shopee. Okay guys, next we're going to grab a pack of these Tums. You want to get the small packs. They're $2.49. And when you scan them into your Giant app, you will see that this $1.50 digital coupon attaches. So that means that you will only be paying 99 cents for this thing of Tums. Okay guys, so this is everything we're going to get today. The Gain Fabric Softener, the Gain Detergent, the Tide Detergent, the Tums, and the mayonnaise. We're going to head up to the register and see what our out-of-pocket is. Okay guys, so I'm back in the car, so let's go over our receipt. Everything worked out fine. There you have the Hellmann's mayonnaise for $3.09. The $2 discount, or the $2 digital coupon came off of that. I said discount because it says personal discount, but personal discount is the same as a digital coupon. There's the Tide, $18.99 minus the $3 bonus savings and the $4 digital coupon. Brings it down to $11.99. Then there's the Gain Liquid Detergent for $16.49 minus the 50-cent bonus savings and the $4 digital coupon. The Gain, which brings it down to $11.99. The Gain Fabric Softener for $13.99. The $1 bonus savings and the $3 digital coupon brings that down to $9.99. There's the Tums for $2.49 minus the $1.50 digital coupon brings those down to 99 cents. And there is the $15 off P&G for buying 3. So my total for everything that I got is actually $21.05, because we're not going to discuss the tax because that's different in every city, state, or borough. So that is my haul. I hope you guys are able to go out and do these things. Remember, these deals end tomorrow at midnight, Thursday, February 8th. Come back, let me know how you made out. And until the next time, keep on saving.